Hi guys, Ralph here. Right, this is an update on what I've got to do in here. Now, I have problems with both the BBCs. Where are they? They're over here. When these got plugged in, the battery was changed and it was cleaned. It comes up with the error message, this is not a language. I need to figure out what was wrong with that and get on with it and see what I've done, whether or not it's something internal or it's a program or something I don't fully know. But we'll get into it and we'll figure out what it is. So, give me a bit of time, I'll get on with that. Secondly, I need to make this. That was from Christmas. It's getting on a bit and I need to get on with it and get it working. We'll get it built up. Also, the donation from Fair Fight. I've got to get on with these, so that's another job to do. I've got some toys, some meerkats I want to show as well. Plus I think I need to get on with other Xboxes. There's even putting the Spectrum. I've got the Spectrum to do. I want to get one of the Futures 8-bit cards on there, because the Spectrum's ready and done. I just need to get on with it. What else have I got to do in here? Oh, there's the, I'll take it off the stand. Oh, come here. Yeah, can you come off? No, you can't, you're stuck. Right, so I need to do something with this, with the Acorn, not Acorn, the Apple Mac. So I need to get it refurbed. The switch on there fell through. I need to get on with that and do that, as well as faffing with both the monitors I got from Todd, the Cub, and the second one, which is the, oh, I can't see it down there. Excuse me. What is Sanyo? So I need to see if these work to start with. Like I said, the Xboxes are there. Ignore that DVD player at the back of there, that's just something I've dumped in there anyway. Yeah, there's a few meerkats in there I want to do a video on as well. So I think it's usual Star Trek stuff coming through whenever they get delivered through post. I've also got another big thing that I need to do. Now this is actually my mother's, and I've got to be careful with this because it's a reel-to-reel tape with an original tape in it of, I think it's got my grandmother talking on it, as well as my sister when she was a baby. So we need to be careful to try and get this thing working. God knows what is wrong with it. I just say it just doesn't work. So that doesn't help me at all. So, I don't know what else there is to do. I mean, there's a usual that's coming in. So, I'm not sure. Apart from maybe revisiting a few things and making sure they're all working. Yeah, we need to strip down the grandstand as well. The Fairchild, clean that out. That's just wrapped up over there. So I've got a fair few things I need to do. Just be patient with me and I'll get on with it and see what I can do. But at the minute, like I say, it's freezing cold in this garage. It's winter, and it bloody is winter and all. So I don't think what else there is to do. There's usual stuff. It's payday soon anyway, so I can see what's out there and faff around a bit and see what I can find. So quick one today anyway, so just bear with me and I'll get on with things soon enough. So yeah, so like and subscribe. I'll see you in the new videos. Bye for now.